Some vacuums look impressive on the shelf, but only a few truly make daily cleaning feel easier. This is one of those designs that starts to make sense the more you live with it. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on practical products that earn their place in real homes. Today, we're reviewing the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off Vacuum, Model 39883. This upright vacuum is built for households with pets, allergy concerns, and mixed flooring. If pet hair seems to reappear no matter how often you clean, this product is immediately relevant. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. The Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off combines strong suction, sealed HEPA filtration, and a detachable canister for above-floor cleaning. It matters in its category because it addresses the most common frustrations pet owners face without adding unnecessary complexity. Reason number 1, consistent suction performance. Strong suction is the foundation of effective cleaning, and this vacuum delivers it reliably. Dirt, fine dust, and embedded pet hair are lifted efficiently from carpets and rugs without repeated passes. Reason number 2, lift-off versatility. The detachable pod transforms the vacuum into a portable cleaner for stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. This flexibility reduces the need for multiple devices and improves overall usability. Reason number 3, HEPA-sealed allergen control. The sealed HEPA system captures allergens inside the vacuum rather than releasing them back into the air. This is especially valuable for homes managing pet dander or dust sensitivity. Reason number 4, tangle-free brush roll design. Hair wrap is a common frustration, but the brush roll is engineered to resist tangling. This saves time on maintenance and keeps performance consistent over long-term use. Reason number 5, hard floor confidence. Scatter-free technology allows smooth cleaning on hard surfaces without debris being pushed away. Transitions between carpet and hard floors feel controlled and efficient. Reason number 6, XL dirt tank convenience. The large 1-liter dirt tank reduces how often you need to empty it. When it's time, the easy-release design keeps the process quick and mess-free. Reason number 7, purpose-built pet tools. Included attachments like the Turbo Eraser Pet Tool and Combination Crevice Brush extend cleaning reach. These tools are particularly effective on upholstery and pet-favorite areas. Reason number 8, ownership reassurance. Solid construction and thoughtful engineering create a dependable cleaning experience. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this vacuum reflects consistent performance expectations. In final consideration, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off prioritizes effectiveness and versatility over ultra-lightweight design. It may feel larger than compact models and isn't cordless, but those trade-offs support power and capacity. This vacuum is best for pet owners who want strong cleaning results, allergen control, and flexible reach throughout the home. If that matches your needs, this is a sensible option worth considering at your own pace.